Hey folks, Lauren from Snowy's here. I have the Mediq vehicle first aid kit for 1 to 10 people. It's soft shell, nice and compact, light. It's got an easy to carry handle and it is filled with all the bits and pieces you need for most day-to-day first aid situations. So the vehicle kit weighs around about 950 grams, just under a kilo. It's 30 centimeters across, 22 centimeters tall and about 9 centimeters thick. So when you do first get the first aid kit, it will be zip tied together just to make sure it's tamper proof before it gets into your hands. But inside here, we've got quite a lot of space. You can see here in the pocket, we've got some splinter pickers here, which are awesome little gadgets. We've got a couple of iodine wipes, alcohol wipes, scissors, tweezers, safety pins as well. You've got your first aid information booklet, which gives you a quick little point of reference for anything that might come up for you. We've also got another quick reference for CPR and assessing your first aid situations, and a quick little count of content so you can easily restock it when you use things up. So over here we have a bunch of different kinds of bandages. We've got this another heavy bandage here. You've got a packet of cotton balls. You've got some extra carry bags for waste disposals and things like that. You've got your instant freeze ice pack. We've got a face shield here for CPR, it's another wound dressing there, and now we've got some other things like little, what do you call them, steri strips or wound closure strips, some dressings, gauze, eye pads, triangles here for broken arms or sprains, a couple of packs of gloves, an emergency blanket, little notebook to write down, you know, comments or anything if you need to record that information. You've got a packet of band-aids and some irrigation solution. So it's all just bundled in here, nice and easily, with still plenty of room left over if you did want to add your own stuff, like say betadine or maybe a tube of Stingos, another spray bottle of antiseptic or anything like that. So the Mediq vehicle first aid kit, as you can see, it's got quite a lot of gear in here, excellent for up to 10 people. It's got this awesome little carry handle, nice and soft and compact. You could easily shove it in your glove box or a toolbox or something like that in the back of your car or your four-wheel drive. Possibly not even too big to chuck in a backpack if you're going hiking or on outdoor adventures with a large group. You can get it at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. If you've got any questions or comments, chuck them below. You can head here to subscribe or here for more helpful videos. Catch you later, Snowy's fam. You can